everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got another unboxing. It's a seasonal subscription and it is JARMABOX. It's a sleepwear and beauty subscription and this is their spring edit. It is really heavy. If you're new to the subscription and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside this spring edit, then you will find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box was kindly sent to me in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I'll pop links down below in my description to this subscription and any offers they got currently running. Plus, if you use code diary-spring23, you'll receive an extra mystery self-care product in your first box. So as well as those, you'll find all my other discount codes and offers for other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running, so you're welcome to take a look. So JARMABOX, as I mentioned, is a quarterly subscription box. It costs £55 and that includes shipping, and inside you get a pair of pyjamas catered to the season and 8 beauty products, or anything beauty related, skincare, hair care, makeup, anything beauty, plus we get the odd snack as well. The sizes of the pyjamas range from a UK size 6 to a UK size 22, and they do say that if you like your pyjamas on the looser side, then always up for a larger size. They do a reward scheme where you can collect points put towards products. This entails reviewing the products that you receive in the boxes. There's a QR code in each box so you can find out more information about the products and about the reward system as well. It's got here, JARMABOX rewards. Review each product and your box as a whole each season and earn points for each review you leave. Plus you get entered into giveaways and things like that. So I think that's it as far as information goes. Let's get on to showing you what's inside this spring box. Got a little sample. Nux Portuguese, I can never say it. This is the floral one. It's a multi-purpose dry oil for face and body and hair. It's got a little sample there. I'll give you a sneak peek first. Now I will be trying the pyjamas on. I'll show you at the end of the video. It is super packed. So let's start off then with the beauty products. We've got a Philip Kingsley Duo, which is great. This is a moisture balancing combination shampoo and conditioner. 200ml and 250ml there. So a balancing shampoo and conditioner. What's it say about it? It's to rebalance medium and longer processed fine hair. Perfect for me then. I've got really fine hair. Then I got a cleansing gel. I actually used this morning. It's down in my bath. Our bathroom is downstairs and it's in the shower. This is a gentle cleansing gel from their Ever Calm range by Ren Clean Skincare. It soothes and balances, and this is for sensitive skin. And there's 150ml there. Yeah, it's a really nice gel. I popped it down there for my daughter to use mainly. I've got lots of different cleansers I use. I like to swap and change all the time. But yeah, Ren Clean Skincare do really great cleansers, and this one's really nice. It leaves your face feeling nice and fresh and super clean, and yeah, as it says, it's great for sensitive skin. Then we've got a face mask by Gottegno Paris. This is a radiance enhancing enzymatic gommage, and there's 75ml there. Apply once or twice a week to dry skin. Massage for 1 to 2 minutes until texture turns to liquid. Rinse with water. Your complexion appears brightened and your skin radiant. Formulated with fruit enzymes, AHA and vitamin C. What's that? Then we have got here a barley buffing sugar by Coco Eve. This is Glow Figure, and there's 60 grams here. So it's like an exfoliating body paste. Body scrub. Sweet almond and coconut oil help moisturize to leave skin feeling soft. Balinese coconut sugar and coconut shell powder exfoliate, removing dead skin cells to renew and revitalize skin. Volcanic ash buffs away dullness and impurities. So yeah, it's a body scrub there by Coco Eve. Then we've got a micellar water. This is by Nux. This is Very Rose. A 3-in-1 soothing micellar water. Removes makeup, cleanses and softens. It contains rose floral water and skin respect complex, and there's 100ml here. I've already got this. I don't like rose smelling things, as you know, but for micellar waters and things that generally don't linger on the skin, I don't mind, and it is a really nice one actually. Some of them I don't notice the benefits besides being wet and just getting off extra makeup. This is a nice micellar water. It does leave my face feeling nice and clean, as it should, but it feels nice. It's nice and soft as well on the skin. It does have quite a rosy scent though. Doesn't matter. But then we've got a body gel by Aromatherapy Associates London. This is Revive Body Gel to energize and awaken, and there's 200ml there. Experience the refreshing, invigorating powers of grapefruit, rosemary and juniper to even out the appearance of skin tone and texture and to maintain a healthy glow. Well-being moment. Massage into your skin each day using light upward strokes to stimulate the body. Focus on areas of concern like hips, thighs, stomach, ankles and feet. There's that. Then we got a face mask by Sun and Sky. This is the Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. Glow and plump, and there's 30 mils here. I've tried little testers of these and it is really nice. I love Sun and Sky. All the products that I've tried from this brand I have really liked. That's the pot. And you got a little handy spatula there. Oh, it just looks so nice. Beat the dull and bring on the bounce. Our Australian glow berries include emu apple, known to be rich in antioxidants, plus kakadu plum, considered to be one of the richest sources of vitamin C to help revitalise skin. Our unique blend of 5 types of hyaluronic acid help hydrate skin and make it appear plump and moisturised. Face mask by Sun and Sky. And there's a few more. Nooks. This is the Universal Age Defying Concentrate. This is super serum. There's 5 mils there. See? Skin behaves as if you were 10 years younger. Wrinkles are smooth, dark spots appear corrected, skin is luminous. And then we got another Nooks product. This is Detoxifying and Glow Mask, Rose and Charcoal, and there's 15 mils there as well. The box says 2 botanical active ingredients, rose and charcoal, brought together in a mask with an ultra sensational black gel texture. This texture turns into milk to illuminate the skin in only 2 minutes and to detoxify it. Use on the face 1 to 2 times per week for 2 minutes, massage with water and then rinse. So got that. It's all about the masks in this box. We got another mask. This is by Sun and Sky Australian Pink Clay. This is pore finding face mask. Removes impurities and brightens, and we've got 13 grams there. I've used this a few times as well, and I think I have done a review on my channel a couple of years ago when it first came out. I think so anyway. So those are all the beauty products. Then we've got a snack. We have got here a Fulfill chocolate salted caramel flavour vitamin and protein bar, which is handy. I'm trying to stop eating chocolate bars and crisps and going for more protein based and low sugar, which is exactly what this is. So I'll be saving that. Now on to the pyjamas. Here we go. They're in a gorgeous cream colour. Very, very nice and soft, very silky, as are all their pyjamas. I'll give you the material now. Hold on. 65% bamboo, 30% viscose and 5% spandex. There. And I've got them in extra large. I'm a UK size 14. No, I'm not. I was. A UK size 16 to 18. So for the last couple of boxes, I've opted for a extra large. You've got a pocket there. Yeah, it feels just so lovely. It's quite heavy material, but it's not really thick. It's weird, it is strange, but it feels really nice and soft. And we've got some bottoms to go as well. These are long bottoms with elasticated waist. Are they drawstring? Yeah, they're drawstring. Nice. And you can see the bottom there. You've got a little cuff down the bottom. Yeah, again, just really nice. Nice and smart. I do really like them. So I'm going to go off now, try them on, and then I'll come back. I'm using my phone just because it's easier than my camera. Really, really nice and soft and stretchy. Excuse the state of the floor. They're a really nice length for me. I'm 5'9". I don't like them too high on my waist, so I wear them sort of down there, just below my waist. But no, they're nice. If you're a 16 to 18 like me, this is the extra large. And yeah, it just fits. I wouldn't say it's overly baggy. I think it's because of the colour, like you can see, it's showing my cellulite on my legs, and it shows I've got scars across my stomach there. It's because of the material is quite thin and it's a pale colour. But yeah, just really nice, cozy pyjamas. I really like them. Here you go. So those are all the products inside the spring edition of JARMABOX. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you a subscriber, or are you watching this for the first time wondering, shall I, shan't I? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.